Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we got the two little braids. Don't judge it because I'm just trying to wave this wig out. So I'm just wearing this for this video. I'm not going out looking like this, okay? But I don't mind two pigtails. I wouldn't wear it like this. It looks a little messy, you know. But anyway, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. I post every week on Friday at 12 p.m. And if you are returning, hey BNG Nation, how you guys doing? Comment down below. Let me know you are here, okay? This is my Shein box. I spent about $200 on this haul. It might have been like 150. I can't remember if it was 150 or 100 or 200. One of those two, but it was definitely the upper hundreds. But I'm going to unbox this whole thing on this video. The last time I did split the video up, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox the whole thing because most of the stuff I got was shoes and some stuff are pretty easy to explain, so I don't think it's going to be that long of a video. So I thought I would go ahead and unbox the whole thing on this video. So if you are interested, just keep watching, okay? And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and comment down below, okay? Okay, so I actually did already open this package, but I haven't actually looked at everything. The only reason why I opened it was because it was raining outside and I did get my dog a raincoat. And yeah, so I got it here, but do y'all notice anything? If y'all know my dog, y'all know this shit is not going to fit my dog, okay? So I think I'm probably gonna try to upcycle it or something, or try to like rip it up and recreate a raincoat for my dog, because I do like the idea, because my dog will like take hoods off because she can't see anything, but I do like that they leave like a clear plastic so that your dog can see. So I think I will be probably just taking this part off and then getting some other fabric and actually making a dog coat. So if y'all are interested in me doing that, like comment down below, because I kind of want to make a couple different sewing projects, but I don't know if I even got room for it to even show it. But if I clean up, I probably will have some room to actually show you guys how I make things. So I actually haven't made a project yet, and I'm really intrigued to make one, but I just haven't had the time or just know where to start really. So I think, oh, someone's texting me, but anyways, I really think I would like to do one. So if y'all would like to see that, comment down below, okay? But anyways, let's go ahead and open this up before my camera battery dies. This is gonna be a very quick haul because the reason why it was so expensive, like $200. If y'all remember my other haul, it was $200. I had to split it up into 2 videos. So if you do like hauls, definitely go check out my channel. I do have a few on my channel. But the other one I spent $200 on, I did have to split it up in 2 videos because it was just gonna be way too long. But this one, I only got like 5 items, but it was like $100 or $100 and something dollars. I want to say it was $200. I'm gonna leave the price like here, okay, like the whole total. But yeah, it was definitely like the upper hundreds. But it's because I bought shoes, so shoes are a little bit more expensive than like their clothes or their outfits. So like, whereas like an outfit's like $10, $15, and then shoes might be $40, $50. So that's the reason. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off before I start opening the shoes. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the little things that I got. So right now I'm in Texas, if y'all didn't know. Most of you guys should know because I know y'all in person. Right now in Texas, it is about 40 degrees outside. It's cold to Texans, okay, because we don't know cold weather, but it's cold. So I got these tan tights to go underneath some sheer tights because I like to wear skirts and stuff even though it's winter time, because I think they're just so cute, especially in the winter time. But my legs get cold, and I did see a little hack on this, so I thought I would get me some tan fleece tights. So that is what I got. And I'm going to leave the link to all the items that I got down below, because, you know, if you don't leave links, you're not a YouTuber, period. And if I remember right, I think they have, like, fur in the inside. So this is it. just some normal tights. They're thick, and I do like that they actually have openings at the foot. Yeah, it's pretty thick, so this is gonna be like the perfect underneath pants. And then so in the inside, yes, there's fur girl. So yeah, so if y'all didn't know about that hack, so to wear skirts in the winter time, this is it. So you wear these and then you put like black pantyhose over, and this looks like skin. So of course on me it's gonna look a little bit lighter than normal, but it's okay. I'm gonna be warm, period. Okay, the next thing is the pantyhose. So I got some just normal regular pantyhose. But I'll open it anyways, because that's what you're supposed to do, you know. And when I style this, I will include like videos, so if y'all see me actually, or if I actually wear these items and I take videos or pictures before this video comes out, I will include it in the video. So yeah, these are just normal tights. And I believe, yeah, these are the footsie ones, so that's upsetting, but it's okay. I'm probably gonna be wearing them with boots anyways, because I really don't wear pantyhose like that. But with skirts, I would like to wear pantyhose, but it was just too cold to do that. So these are just regular pantyhose, and they're pretty thin. So now we got another thing. What is this? Honestly, I really don't remember what this is. One size. Did I get 2 pantyhose? Wait a minute. I think I got 2 pantyhose, guys. No, this is different. So this is the packaging. What the hell is this? Yeah. Okay, so I got another pair of pantyhose. I remember them now. So these are actually little hearts. Oh my god, it's so cute. I was thinking about wearing them for Valentine's Day, and this is like ultra thin. So these ones, I don't even know if this is see-through. Yeah, it is. So those are just all black, and then these are super thin. Like, oh my goodness, I feel like I'll probably just rip them just getting into it. But they have little mini hearts, if you can see that. Whenever I wear my Valentine's Day outfit, I will show you guys that. But yeah, super duper cute. Let's go ahead and open the first thing. I don't know what shoes these are, but the outside is just marble white, super cute. And I did get all thigh-high boots. Ooh, exciting. Ooh, oh my god, I'm so excited. Yay! They smell so fresh. Oh, look at that, guys. Tan. Oh my god, I've been dying for some tan thigh highs. I'm like a thigh high obsessor. These are gonna get so dirty so fast though for me. Oh my god, so cute. So yeah, this is her. She has like little strings on the back of the ankle, or the back of the thigh, to tighten it so it stays on your thigh. Super cute. Okay, just some basic tan thigh highs. So this is the next one, and again, I'm not sure which shoes they are, but I know they're thigh highs. So god, yes. So these are exactly the same shoe, but just a different color. So I got them also in gray, and again they have the these feel a little bit softer. The other one felt kind of stiff, but yeah, they have the little string and the boot. Very cute in a basic gray. Yay! Got some gray shoes. I already got like red thigh highs. I got black thigh highs, so I wanted to get some other basic colors. So yeah, this is what I got. Can y'all guess what my other one is? Okay, very cute. Oh wow. Oh, this packaging is nice. Let me just show y'all this packaging, just because I like mention it and then not show y'all. Yeah, it has a little Shein logo. Very cute packaging. Oh, ooh. Yes, girl. Ooh, which one am I gonna wear? I think I'll wear these today. Okay, so pure white with the brown bottom. Little bit of a toe, girl. Little bit of a pointy toe. Ooh. Oh, I get obsessed with thigh highs. Oh my god. If you're a company and you want to send me some thigh highs, like, contact me. Okay, period. I get obsessed with thigh highs. And these also have the string in the back to tighten them up around your thigh. Real cute. Now, my one complaint about this is that there's no zipper. There's no zipper, and I don't know, it's a little bit slick in the inside. Just a tad bit, not that much, but I wonder if like I can like just slide my leg down there easy. I hope so. But yeah, very cute. Yeah, and this is a little bit different. Like the other two shoes, they're like fleece, whereas this is like a false leather almost. So very, very different type of shoe. But my battery is about to die, and that is it for this haul, guys. That was really quick, right? I think it's actually less than all my videos, like less items than all my videos, but it just equaled up to about the same as my last haul. But if y'all like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.